Hello friends, I hope you have been enjoying my short videos on short remedies and I hope it is useful in your practice. So today I'll be telling you a short remedy and I think you all must be knowing this remedy. It is useful for nasal polyps. Generally in nasal polyps the constitutional remedy is given and the cure will take place. If however in spite of giving the constitutional remedy there is a sudden acute exacerbation and the patient cannot breathe, the nostrils are stopped up and there is edema of the nostrils and the turbinates and the polyps get enlarged and they get swollen and there is dryness of the pharynx or of the nasopharynx, then think of this remedy Lemnar minor, which is very useful. It can be started with the 30 C potency 3 times a day and the power can be increased or the potency can be increased to 200 C 1M 3 times a day until the obstruction is reduced. So this is a very good remedy. It will help you in the acute exacerbation of the chronic disease or in the acute stage where there is stuffiness of the nose, there is enlarged turbinate, enlarged polyps, there is edema and there is difficulty in breathing or obstruction of the nose. So please try this and I'm sure you will be successful in your practice. Thank you.